How to make Roblox games with Claude AI. So in this video, we're simply going to be talking about Roblox and how you're going to be able to make the easiest and most simplest games with Claude on it. So to do this, what you're simply going to do is you're going to come over to Claude AI SO, and right over here, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and come right over here and tell Claude that I want to create a simple quiz game for Roblox. Create it for me. Now you can go ahead and be more descriptive about it, exactly what you want in the game, what kind of levels you want, what kind of different, mechanics and functionalities the game should have in it. And you can provide it all of that if you need to. But once all of that is done, as you can see, it says it's going to include and create the whole script that you need for your Roblox. Now for this, do make sure that you do have the Roblox Studio, because without the Roblox Studio, you will not be able to run this game or, pretty much create this game, because the Roblox Studio is needed to upload a game file onto the Creator Hub. So what you're simply going to do is you're going to come over to your Roblox Creator Hub. And once you're over here, what you're simply going to want to do is you're going to paste the script that Claude gives you. Okay, Claude takes a few minutes to create the whole script because, of course, it is a full-fledged game. But once the script is done and it is completely created, just add it into your studio to make sure that you do have the studio downloaded, because it's just much better that way. It just works much efficiently, works more, uniformly, and has a better working with it. So download the studio, upload the script file that Claude gives you, and you're good to go from there. You have a full-fledged Claude made game for Roblox. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.